is why if you have a right, ipaglaban mo at protektahan mo. Thank you.
Yun yung tinatawag natin na powerful ending.
Yes.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine. Ayan, so for today's vlog ay manonood ulit tayo ng naging speech, free speech regarding sa topic ng ating top 3 finalists for the head-to-head challenge ng Miss World Philippines 2024. There's Bianca Tapia, Jasmine Omay, and of course, Dolly Cruz. Ang kanilang topic ngayon is about identity theft. So, ikaw na, identity what?
Magnanakaw ng identidad. Charing.
Identidad. Magnanakaw ng pagkatao, pagkakakilanlan.
Pagkakakilalan.
Pagkakakilanlan.
Magnanakaw ng pagkakakilanlan.
Ano ba yan? Tagalog na. Without any further ado, let's watch this.
Now, our next and last topic for your free speech is identity theft. We're facing a world where information is always given out and it's easily accessible. Right now, there are a lot of issues regarding identity theft that we should be mindful of. And as someone who has this platform, it is only right for me to advocate. And as a candidate, I would love to talk about it more and to let people be aware of their privacy and to be cautious of what we share online, because it matters mostly how we use these information for our own self. And as we enter the digital world, being cautious is one way to protect not just our privacy but also our emotional peace. Thank you.
I'm always and will always be a fan of a statement which encourages self-responsibility. Parang ganun, maging responsable ka sa mga ginagawa mo. So, which is na-touch na yun na hindi ka naman talaga malalagay sa isang sitwasyon kung wala kang ginawa or kung naging maingat ka sana, hindi magiging okay ang lahat. Parang ganun yung mensahe niya sa akin, which is good naman.
Ang galing niya talaga. I mean, ang sinasabi niya kung ano yung mga relatable, like in a person's perspective, ano din yung kanyang pwedeng gawin na kung may platform siya, yung mag-raise awareness talaga siya na, oo nga no, di ba, na kahit sino pwedeng nakawin ng identity at magsabi ng masama. Or even yung mga credentials na nakukuha sa atin, di ba? Theft din yun.
Identity theft is a scary thing. We live in a world where everything's so technologically advanced, and we must be really careful with what we share online because anything can be taken away from you, such as your name, or if you accidentally post your driver's license or your passport, anyone can do something with that. So I highly encourage that we all voice out our concerns and for there to be measures taken so that we can protect our identity, because we are the only ones really unique to ourselves. We are the only ones that can really call ourselves by our name, and that should never be taken away from anyone. So let's continue to advocate for fighting out for our identity, because that is something that is unique to us.
That is something that is unique to us, yung identity mo. Which is very important din naman na na-touch niya yun. Kasi in everything that you do, kailangan mag-stand out ka as you are, na parang ikaw lang dapat yun. Kailangan pangalagaan mo rin yun. Kailangan maging careful ka. Magaganda yung mga message nila.
Diba? Ang ganda nga. So, napaka-queenly ng pagkasagot ni Bianca actually, na parang if she put that nung ganung sentences, parang, oo nga no, diba? Na parang ikaw lang dapat ang nakakatawag ng pangalan mo sa sarili mo, diba? Ganun pala talaga ka-importante yung identity mo. Yung pagkatao mo, yung...
Tsaka nakakatuwa din na hindi nila masyadong tineknikal yung sagot nila na mas maiintindihan ng common, average, you know, people.
Very, very charismatic and inspirational. Yung parang leader talaga yung pagkakasabi.
Privacy is protected by our laws. Our identities is protected by our laws. And because we have this right that's protected by law, we must be strong enough to fight for our identity. Ladies and gentlemen, there are two sides of this story. First is, for everyone, let us be cautious as to what we post, especially posting IDs, posting very personal information online, which can be very attractive to criminals. Second, it is a warning to criminals, to those who would want to commit identity theft, that It is a crime and you can be imprisoned. You can be civilly and even criminally liable.
Yung two sides niya pala is yung dun sa nagpo-post.
Sa
victim, tsaka
and,
yung nagnanakaw.
oppressor.
Ang pag sinabi niya kasi nakala ko, there are always two sides of the story. Your truth and his truth. Parang ganun mga
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a message to each one of us that our identity is very precious. And our identity should be protected because it can be used in illegal matters. That is why if you have a right, ipaglaban mo at protektahan mo. Thank you.
Yun yung tinatawag natin na powerful ending.
Yes.
Diba? Yung mga unang part kasi, sobrang technical niya tayo na law, ganyan.
Yes, two sides of the story.
Pero yung sa dulo pala, yun yung nagtapos. Pag may katwiran ka, or
ipaglaban
mo, ganyan.
Parang show yun.
Parang feeling ko, si Dali ang bubuhay nung show dati kung ipaglaban. Jose Maria season. Diba yun?
Well done! Silang tatlo, well done.
Anyone can be a victim naman talaga ng identity theft. So, basically, lahat tayo, we should always be careful talaga kung ano yung pinopost natin. Ganyan. Kaya nga minsan, parang yung ayoko masyadong mag-live. Or I'm not a fan of going on live kapag ka nasa labas tayo. Kasi malalaman nila na, ay wala to sa bahay nila. So we can, punta sa bahay nila, ganyan. Pwede nating akyatin, ganun.
Yung identity theft kasi, it's the first part of mahaba-haba pang mga series of pwedeng kasing maging catfishing yan, ganyan, or scamming, kasi di ba pag kumuha sila ng identity ng iba, pwede silang
bait din, kung anong-ano.
Oo, maraming discussion yan, kumbaga. So, very great job sa tatlo for explaining it so well, and
yeah, iba-iba silang level. Pero pare-pareho silang magagaling in their own way, no? So, ayun. Deserve nila yung top 3 sa finals ng Head-to-Head Challenge. And thank you so much, guys. At sinamahan niyo ko isa nagdaang video. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So, keep watching us in the next video. Bye!